Before your security camera can record footage, it needs a reliable place to store it, and that's where the SD card comes in. With the SD card installed, it gives you continuous edge recording while events are saved with cloud storage. For the easiest installation, I recommend installing the SD card after mounting, but before powering the cameras. Hello, I'm Craig with Resideo, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert the SD card into your camera safely and correctly so you can start capturing video with confidence. Let's get started. All three cameras support using a Class 10 micro SDXC card. Each camera supports a minimum of 32 gigabytes to a maximum of 1 terabyte. These are the recommended cards to use with your CX4 camera. Now, let's see where the SD card slots are on the cameras and how to insert the cards. On the Dome camera, the SD card slot is located under the bezel. To access the location, rotate the bezel to remove it. After that, these 4 screws must be removed. Once the screws are removed, you will see the space for the card to be inserted. Due to the complexity of the camera, this one is easier to insert while mounted. If you decide to insert the SD card before mounting the camera, take care when inserting it so as not to lose it. On the turret camera, you will unscrew the set screw on the front of the housing to remove the camera itself. From there, you will see a small door with 2 screws. Remove the screws and insert the SD card. The last one is the bullet camera. This camera is the easiest to get to the SD card slot. If you look on the bottom of the camera, you will see a door with 2 screws. This is the SD card housing. Remove the screws and insert the SD card. Now that you have all the SD cards inserted into the cameras, it's time to add the PoE connection and enroll the cameras in the app. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy. Thanks for watching.